Greetings, students, and welcome to week 5. It's Crime and Deviance week. Fascinating. So, what are we going to be doing this week in sociology class? Well, we're going to define crime and deviance. It's probably pretty relevant, right? We're going to understand how our favorite sociological paradigms influence crime theory, right? We're also going to understand some new theories, I know, because you love them. Differential association, strain theory, and labeling theory. This will be applicable to our unit this week, I promise. And we're also going to talk about crime in the U.S. currently. Like, we're going to talk about the current state of the criminal justice system here in the U.S. of A. So that's the overarching stuff that we're going to be doing this week. I'm super excited this week. I know I say this every week. I know. Your professor's a super nerd. Just come to terms with that fact and your life will be easier. But we have an amazing documentary this week that I'm super excited about. So what do you need to do this week? Well, I would start by watching your overview video. Hi. Then I'm going to have you guys read chapter 7 for me. That's this chapter, and there is a chapter 7 quiz. This week we have 3 keywords and concepts videos on the Crime and Deviance chapter, so go ahead and go through those. We'll introduce you to those theories in those. And then you're going to watch my introduction to our documentary this week, which is the 13th. Netflix very kindly put it on YouTube for educators to use for free. Thank you, Netflix. So we're going to take them up on that and watch that this week. So watch my introduction to it and then go ahead and watch the documentary. And then we do have a discussion board to go along with the documentary, as we always do. And then finally, it's that time again, guys. It's exam time. We're on our second exam. So this will cover this chapter, and this will cover our previous chapter on socialization, right? So socialization and crime and deviance will be how this one works for this week. Now, I did not make a special video to help you guys study for this one, just because you should be okay by now. Go back and review the first exam studying video. It's the same premise, just different chapters, right? So the exam this week is on this chapter that we're doing this week and the chapter that we did last week. So that's why we had the exam scheduled for the end of the week. I know it's really frustrating that you have both quizzes and exams in the same week, but that's just kind of the nature of the compressed term schedule we have here at Central Penn. We just have to be able to get a lot of stuff into a very brief period of time. So go ahead and do all that for me. And then once you've done quiz, discussion board post, and taken your second exam, which is technically your midterm actually, you are done for the week, and I will see you next week. Have a good one, guys.